ko na na-end ang vlog last night, guys. Oh my gosh, we are so tired last night. So, ito, panibagong araw na naman. Happy Friday. And, actually, ano na, 7:31 na. And we need to be there by 8 o'clock. So, nasa baba na sila, Daddy and Chad. Mag-breakfast na sila. So, I'm so tired, guys. You have no idea. Alright. Kung nakikita nyo aking eye. Nakikita nyo ba yung eye ko? Like, ugh. Alright, let's go. Ito yung outfit natin. So, let's go, guys. So, guys, we didn't eat breakfast dahil no coffee. No coffee? No coffee over there?
I didn't even remember.
Oh, okay. So, it's 7:54. So, yeah. So, we're on the way to school. Oh, I'm so sleepy, guys. So sleepy.
Oh, yeah, you take Thursday to the van and sleep.
Take turns sleeping.
Turn left onto 7th Street.
There's Kuya.
Turn left onto 7th Street.
We got breakfast, guys. We got Starbucks. Where's yours? Daddy got Switch, him and some, yeah, whatever that is. And then we got coffee. Or this is not coffee. It's good. Hoy, eat. What's it supposed to do?
It's supposed to, it keeps your hand in from getting burnt.
Oh, it keeps. As you can tell, I don't go to Starbucks that often. So kain tayo. So guys, andito na tayo, naghihintay na naman tayo. Puro tayo hintay dito, guys. Puro hintay. Mag-i-start silang mag-game or kaganina lang sila, practice skills lang sila. So ngayon, mag-i-start na talaga yung nila, yung kanilang laban at 1:33. 1:33, guys. Oh my gosh. Tapos matapos tayo dito ng 6 p.m. I am so tired, guys. Sobrang inaantok ako. Sobrang nakakapagod. But, yeah.
Another goal. We got another goal. Driver switch window head open. Another goal on the left side. 25 seconds. We got a pass. $15 seconds left for another goal. They narrowly missed. A goal on the low goal. 5, 4.
We're eating lunch now, guys. Kanina, breakfast. Now, lunchtime. We're having Chick-fil-A.
There's also pickles.
You got pickles in there?
Yes.
Cool.
They already have pickles, which they
Now,
add.
they don't say which one's which for the burger.
Oh, we don't.
Mine's spicy, yours is regular.
Is that spicy? That is spicy.
This is spicy.
Okay.
I hope.
This looks like the spicy one because how dark
If
it
it is,
is.
even worse.
No, because I did not order the spicy.
If the
We are done, Stop! We are done. Tapos na tayo, guys.
To where the people who are going up against them.
You're not done, Chad?
What?
Talking though.
The people who are going up against the.
Thanks for opening the door, sweetheart. So guys, we are back sa hotel. Actually, kaganina pa. So, nag-dinner na din kami. I am so tired. So, kung nag-order lang kami ng walang food. And, hindi lang ako kumain ng rice for the whole day today. And, I miss rice. Like, hindi ako kumain ng rice all day today. Kaya, I miss rice. Ugh. But anyways, nag-order lang kami ng Taco Bell. And then, so yeah, yun lang yung dinner namin, Taco Bell. So, good na ako sa bed. And, I am ready for, like, inatok na ako. Ready na ako matulog. But tatanggalin ko lang aking makeup and then matutulog na tayo dahil ako inaantok na talaga, guys. It is oras na magna 9 na. So yeah, si Daddy tsaka si Kuya Chad bumaba muna sila kasi kukuha sila ng ng baso ba na maliit na cup kasi bumili kami ng milk sa gas station. Kaya, ayun. So, kailangan natin matulog ng maaga, guys, kasi maaga tayo sa bukas. So, yeah. Huh?
Back with the cup.
That was fast.
Yeah, it was fast.
Sir, he about now.
Who?
Considering I almost got jump scared by a dog.
Why?
Because
He was like on the elevator.
some person was
Door opened up, he would step in there, the dog went to step out.
like a lady thought that she was on the first floor, but instead she was on the second floor.
Oh.
So she
So
said,
the
"I
dog almost
apologize."
jumped on you?
No, she was like, the dog was like, it looked at his owner
Sa
and then it
elevator?
looked back at me.
The elevator?
Yes.
Oh. Kuya did so good, guys, today. Kahit na lang siya, loader lang siya, but Kuya did so good. So, yan yung bed ni Kuya, guys. Din siya. Hindi na ako nakapag-room tour. Bukas mag-check out na tayo. Kasi uuwi na tayo bukas. Pero before tayo umuwi, pupunta pa tayo sa last nila Kuya sa robotics. So, yun yung last day tomorrow. So, we have to be there by 8 and then matatapos ng 6. So, yeah. Depende. Kasi earlier, it got done by 5, diba, Daddy? It got done by 5. So, Chad, go get your milk right there. Well, Daddy got it right there. So, yeah. So, hopefully, hindi tayo, matapos ng early para makauwi tayo ng maaga. Good morning, guys! Another day. Today ang last day natin. So, ayan. Last day natin today, guys. And then, uuwi na rin tayo mamaya pagkatapos ng competition. So, happy Saturday! So, ayan. Nakaready na tayo. Nakapack na yung mga gamit natin kasi aalis na tayo pagka tapos natin mag-eat ng breakfast. So, yeah. Good morning! So, yeah, we're gonna go eat breakfast and then we're gonna go straight sa pinuntahan natin yesterday kasi kailangan natin to be there by 8 o'clock. So, yeah. Sorry guys kung hindi ano yung mga vlog natin today ha, kasi sobrang busy lang talaga and hindi ano yung mga vlogs. Like, sobrang nakakaano yung mga vlogs natin ngayon. So, but anyways, we're gonna go get some breakfast. So, let's go. Here we go again. Maganda tong college na to.
You never looked at the bathroom sink.
I don't know. Did you? Don't do that. You need to go back in there if you... Really? Why would you do that to me?
I just want to see what your reaction would be.
Tanggal ka ng ring dyan.
What?
What? What?
Speaking English, woman.
I do speak English.
No, you wouldn't speak English.
This
You
is so
speak
cute.
a crazy language nobody understands. Quick, what movie?
Grown-ups.
2.
Too. Miss Mars said they're over there.
She got her bag there.
She got her bag in there.
Over here, sit down. I'm only get off.
Okay, you go get me a coffee. Same thing.
Same thing?
Yeah.
All right.
Love ya.
Seven one three C, the 5 C's.
Ayan na guys. Team nila Chada yun. So, dito tayo sa malaking TV. Ayan si Kuya.
Go.
Na.
Couple of passes to get things started. Lining up for goal there on the left-hand side. A goal knocked down on the left lower goal. That was the 5 C's. Spanishburg lining up. They're going to try to aim. They hit that top goal and top switch. So we might have a side switch here. The 5 C's been so good at hitting that low switch all day. Well, I guess all day yesterday. Lining up here 30 seconds. A goal knocked down up top. Another goal down low. 25 seconds. They could get something going here. We got a pass in the inside of that robot. Another goal knocked down. Couple more balls into the field of play. They've got 10 seconds. Another pass. Another goal. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Can they get one more goal knocked in? I don't think they were gonna get it.
So guys, ito yung ating skills. Nasa number 12 tayo. Bumaba tayo ng ano, nasa 7 or 9 tayo before may bumaba yung ano. And then sa ranking naman, we are nasa ano na tayo, 14. Ay, nawala. Ayun, nasa 31. Ayan, 31. So, and we have ano, nakaschedule tayo ng another ano, magmamati. Ayan, yung number 197. Yan yung lalaro na ulit. Ito yung kanilang third ano, fourth game. Ayan.
Call 215
guys.
90 Straight A Smashers and 98970A Spanishburg. Ready to go. Let's relay. 3, 2, 1, go. We've got a pass. Oh, another pass. Spanishburg lining up there. They take a shot and knock it down. Straight A Smashers gonna line up there. They've got one through as well. 45 seconds remaining. Another shot from way downtown there. Spanishburg nails it. Driver swap period has begun.
They passed that one.
The switch flip, no goal though. 25 seconds remaining.
Come on.
Lining up, we've got a goal. And there miss on the post on the left-hand side by Spanishburg. 10 seconds remaining.
Come on,
6,
come on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, match.
Yeah!
Spanish
Ayan
Bird
na guys,
in
this is
5,
their last
0, 4,
round.
C, the Melrose Peanut Butter Gang.
I quit. Last round, guys. Last round. We need to get a better score. Para makapasok tayo sa top 24.
You need to lean up so that so you stop people from running the camera.
Oh.
Drivers ready, let's relay. 3, 2, 1, go. Double pass it. Lining up on the left hand side, they send a shot off and through. Peanut Butter Gang sends one in as well. An excellent pass there. Spanish Bird going to try to score on that upper goal. Driver swap window has ended. They send one through. Peanut Butter Gang going to take one over. They drop one off. We're going to pass. 10, 9, 8, 7, goal, 6, 5, 4, 3. Are they going to get it there? 2, 1.
Guys, pasok tayo sa finals. OMG, ayan o, yung score natin. Spanish Bird, OMG. Pasok tayo sa finals. Oh my goodness, exciting. Ayan guys, their turn. Oh my God.
Finals match 4. 69 is our points to beat. Your Alliance 9-0-2-2-8 Straley Smashers from Princeton, Virginia. And 3-8-9-7-0-8 Spanishburg from Spanishburg, West Virginia. Loaders, are we ready? Drivers, are we ready? Crowd, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, relay! We've got one pass, we've got 2 passes. Spanishburg into that goal. Shirley Smashers lining up on the bottom left. They send one up. Is it through? They've got 45 seconds to get it through there.
Oh, come on.
Spanishburg grabbing it.
Oh man.
What are they going to do? Return first running position over the Smashers. Spanishburg sends one up. Shirley Smashers. 25 seconds left. Shirley Smashers sending one through. Up. Is it through? It's all Spanishburg. Lining up. Up. We've got 10 seconds left. 9. And a pass. A shot. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, this is so good.
I think they got it.
69 when I saw it.
It should be 73, 72.
Okay, we'll see what's the score. What's the score?
We got a score. 60.
So guys, tapos na ang competition. Ang competition, hindi sila nakapasok sa World Championship, but sobrang proud kami sa mga kids dahil nakakuha sila ng score of 69. And then nagkaroon ng triple tie, and then Tapos may nakakuha ng mas mataas na score na 82. And then, triple tie din yon. And then, may mas nakakuha ng higher score na 95. Kaya, yeah, sobrang na bummer yung mga kids. Kasi yung team ng mga bata is medyo na hindi gumana yung nila, yung robot nila. So parang like kaya hindi sila masyado nakaano ng kaya nakakaano lang. So kung gumana yung robot nila ng nakakuha sila ng maayos na score, but it's okay. And then wala din silang rewards na nakuha. So, ilan lang yung mga nakakuha ng awards. But, it's okay. At least, nag-enjoy ang mga bata. And, nagkaroon ng, emotional, sila kaganina. Well, si Chad, walang emotion. Wala siyang kasi okay, kung magtataka kayo kung bakit hindi nyo nakikita na nagda-drive si Chad ng robot is because siya, loader. Yun yung trabaho niya, yung naglo-load ng bola. So, yun yung trabaho niya. And, next year, kasi yung dalawang katim niya ngayon, 4 kasi sila. So, yung 3 katim niya is, gagraduate na sila this year. 5th grade na kasi sila. Si Chad lang yung naging iisang 4th grade. So, hopefully, mag-iba yung ni Chad. Pag inano niya na gusto kong maging yung driver. So, pag sinabi niya na gusto niya ng driver, so baka siya yung magda-drive. And also, dahil meron na siyang experience. Dahil nakapasa kami dito sa championship, sa state championship. So, ayun. So, sabi niya, next year naman daw, sasali ulit daw siya. So, hopefully, makakuha ng maayos na team ang teacher, ang kanilang coach para for next year. Kaya sobrang so yun ang ni Kuya. Ang kasi niya before, kasi sila anim sila before. Pero dahil yung dalawa na disqualify ay tinanggal sila kasi they're having a bad behavior sa school, ganyan. So, and also their grades is down, kaya tinanggal sila. So, naging 4 na lang sila. Yeah, so 6 dapat sila. Ang trabaho talaga ni Chad is nagbi-build siya. So, he's the builder. But because kailangan nila ng loader, so, kaya yun. But, yeah, sobrang happy ang mga, happy. Kaya, sobrang proud sa mga kids. So, dito na kami ngayon sa gas station, guys. And, pauwi na tayo. Kuya! Ay!
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
You ready to go home?
Yes.
Alright. Daddy, you ready to go home?
Yes.
We are ready to go home, guys. So, let's go
Let's
home.
go. Let's do it.
Let's do it, because I miss my babies. So, let's
Proceed to the
go.
highlighted route. Then
Yes.
route guidance will start.
Alright, let's go home. So, guys, we have 1 hour and 3 minutes left. 7:02.
3 minutes left?
Yeah, 1 hour and 3 minutes left.
I mean, I could wait that long.
You can't wait that long? Hi! Say we're back home! We're back home! What happened?
Joy hit me.
Oh, it's
I
okay.
said
He didn't
sorry.
mean to. But it's okay.
I said sorry.
He didn't mean to.
I said sorry.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. I'm downloading. Hi. Look what I have. Hello Kitty pillow.
Mm. You
Look
okay?
what I have. This.
Yeah.
For my kid of which.
Say
I'm
we.
going to open it tomorrow.
Okay, what's for the pen, dude? You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You happy with your Hello Kitty pillow?
Yeah.
Okay. We are back again.
Heart.
Say heart. Aray ko, something naman
I think there's something red in your eye.
No, well, my eyes is sleepy. That's what it is. Are you ready for bed?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, look.
That's a big heart. Show them. You got a big heart. Aray ko, dude.
Show Daddy. Show Daddy. Heart. Daddy, look. Heart.
Daddy.
Yeah.
We always wanted you to make a heart with the pencil. Try's coloring the inside of the
Yeah.
the heart.
Oh, the pencil.
I think he likes it.
Yeah.
I think how he likes it.
Mm. Aray ko naman.
Sorry. CCK.
No, don't use that because if you mess with it, then the pen it's gonna go.
Hey.
Troy, look, see.
Daddy.
It's okay. Mommy will get it wiped off.
I will wipe it. It's okay.